Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now this week I'm concentrating on greenhouses. I'm lucky enough, when I first moved into this house, I bought this greenhouse as one of the first things that I wanted. And everybody knows greenhouses are a great addition in the garden, help us grow crops earlier, protect our plants over the winter, and it's something that this greenhouse is going to be doing. So today I need to pull out some of the old plants and pot in here some plants that need protection. It's getting a bit chilly in the morning. So what we're going to do today is, first of all, these pots. Plants are dead in them. We don't need them. So they're going to come out. And we'll pop those in the compost bin. That's not too bad, is it? This big pot here has got some French beans. We're going to leave those because they might still produce something. They were quite late going in, but they seem to be doing quite well. And here, just a couple of tomato plants that we did plant. There we go. Haven't exactly done very well here with the tomato plants, so completely and utterly failed in here for some reason. Not the end of the world, there's always next year, but we'll get rid of these and we'll compost those. Right, that's basically got this now clear. So what I'll do, I'm going to throw these in the compost bin and then I'll show you why I'm clearing this out today. Right, well, this is my peach tree, which I always bring in over winter to avoid peach leaf curl. It will stay in here till about May, and what I do, I've got drip feeders in this greenhouse, which I will just quickly add into the bottom of this. That way it keeps the soil around the roots moist. But the other things that I want to add are just here. So this is my lemon tree. That also I like to bring in over the winter months just for a little bit of protection. And then we've got my banana tree, which is also coming in for a little bit of protection over these winter months as well. I've got that one just there. And again, we've added in some more drip feeders so that that is looked after. We've still got a bit of space, so when we find some more delicate plants, we've still got room for those. Failing that, we can still sow spring onions or something in that space as well. Right, well, that has got this greenhouse sorted for today. What I wanted to do in this greenhouse, we'll be in here a lot more over the next coming months, as you're sure you can imagine. But tomorrow I've got a big job that's been in the waiting for a long time, and let's find out what that is. Well, I'm here at a location because I'm dismantling this greenhouse to go down onto my allotment. This was my step-granddad's greenhouse, who passed away last year. So rather than let it go to waste, we're going to salvage it. So first of all, we've got to clear everything out, then we'll take out the glass and we'll take photos of it so we know how it goes back together, and then we unscrew everything, take it apart and take it down to the allotment. And what I like to do is just number everything as we go so I know what goes where. Granddad's greenhouse I already have on the allotment. We did it exactly the same way, and that was done pretty quickly. Let's see how long this one takes. Well, admittedly, today hasn't quite gone as planned. Well, my brother and I, who helped me today, dismantled this greenhouse, Grandad's greenhouse you see behind me. We managed to do that in about 4 or 5 hours, including transporting it 10 miles. Very, very easy to do that one, and I thought it would be the same with this one today. And actually, to be fair, it was easy to dismantle. It's just taken a lot longer to dismantle than it took this one. So all we've been able to do is get it here in a load of aluminium just laid down, and I will have to start putting it together during this week. The biggest problem that we had was some of the zinc nuts and bolts didn't come apart easy and ended up snapping. On this one, which is much older, this one here is as old as me, and this one it didn't have a problem with. It came apart so easy. That one we had quite a few of the nuts and bolts that have snapped, so I've got to replace those in order to rebuild it, and they have to be the correct nuts and bolts, so I'm going to have to order those in order to fix it. So yeah, that was the plan for today. I was hoping to get it built. It hasn't happened, but there's still time during this week, and hopefully next time it will be done.